Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix time syncing issues in Windows 11. So the first thing that we can do is to check our date and time settings. We can do so by opening our taskbar, right-clicking the time, and clicking on Adjust Date and Time. So this brings up a settings window, and you can see here in additional settings, there is a last successful time synchronization. And sometimes you won't be able to see that. It's going to show you a failure or an error message. And in that case, we can forcefully try syncing it by clicking on the Sync Now button. All we have to do is make sure we have a stable internet connection. So I'm going to click Sync Now. It's going to ask for admin privileges. And there. So as you can see, last successful time has updated to just about now. So if that doesn't resolve your issue, another thing you can do is hold Windows and R, type in services.msc and run the program by pressing enter. And here, look for Windows time. Here we go. Make sure that it is running, and if it's not, you can change the startups type in the properties, and you can also click on the restart button if it's not already running. So that's how to sync your time in Windows 11. I hope I was able to fix your issue, and I hope you were able to learn something new and something useful. As always, thank you for watching.